stuff in a way it was never originally intended.
Of course, it's assuming that things don't go horribly wrong.
The world premiere of Stuck with Hackett, Friday at 10 on Science Channel.
Why would a fun-loving, red-blooded, all-American male give up watching football to upgrade his headlines? Because Silver Star headlines are up to 50% brighter, 40% farther, and up to 50% farther. But more importantly, because it's easier to replace the headlines than it is a daughter. See farther, see wider, see better. Silver Star Ultra headlines from Sylvania. Lightning fast, lightning strong. Classic 4G LTE. Rule the air on the most advanced 4G network in the world.
Make their eyes wide with an HD TV from Walmart. Get everyday low price.